one to keep.
Maybe. Oh,
Did you buy them off the same guy?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah, they both have pictures of both of them in the water.
Oh, so you knew this was in the water before?
Yeah. So he said.
Now that he's done this before, now first time is always a scary part. Now he's done it.
So then when you get up there close, you just put it. Good filming going out. You guys still filming?